got him!
That was nasty.
Dude,
we wiped them. We absolutely wiped those. Holy. Oh baby, we got the old broken hay bale hide today. Alright guys, we have arrived at the field. I haven't done an intro in the car in a while, so I'm here to do that. I'm going to put my gloves on. It is chilly this morning. My goodness. About dang time. And when I say chilly, I mean chilly for this year. We're in the 20s this morning. It's about 22 degrees. A little frosty. Only the second frost of the season. I'm loving it. We're waiting to put out the decoys just a touch. We got the blinds set up. We're in a field that had probably 6 or 7 broken hay bales in it. So we've got the layout blinds. We got a bunch of hay from the hay bale, one of the hay bales, and completely covered us up to make us look like a broken hay bale in this field. The geese were about 2 yards, 3 yards all around the hay bales in the field, so we look super natural. If you can't tell, I'm pretty daggum excited this morning. So we have a northwest wind. Everything's set up just perfect this morning. I don't want to jinx anything. I was a baseball player, guys. I don't want to jinx anything. I'm just going to give you all the rundown. We've got birds coming from the east about 2 miles away. We have a northwest wind at about 8 to 10. Going to be pushing up to 12 to 15 miles per hour later in the day. Hopefully we are shooting them before that. But let's say 8 to 10 miles per hour to the northwest. Got our blinds facing east. Birds should be coming straight the heck to us. We're the first field 2 miles off the roost, so it's set up pretty gosh dang beautifully. We're going to be kind of quartering them. So northwest, we're facing east, so they should come in a little bit quartered to us, which I absolutely love. The sun has a little bit of cloud cover over it right now. It shouldn't be too bad in our face. But I don't mind that because it keeps the shadow behind the blind. So blinds will blend in, will look super natural. We're going to have the decoys out front. We're going to run them up a little bit closer to the blinds today because we've got more decoys and we're going to set just a little bit bigger spread. And I think we look good enough to be able to push the decoys about, 8 yards, 10 yards away from the blinds, and then we'll run it out into our formation. Probably do like a little bit of a W, go pretty wide with it. We'll have our 2 landing holes on each side of the W, the middle of the W. So we'll run the center out. They'll be able to come in here, choose one pocket or land right on the other in the middle of the blinds so everyone can get their shooting in. And we'll make it big just so we're visible and so the geese absolutely love it. Don't forget my calls, my duck and goose calls that I designed are back in stock at ducksbucks.com. All sorts of new gear. I like this hoodie. It matches the old hay hide we're doing. It's the old ducks camo ducks hoodie. Super awesome. If you guys want to check one out, we got the logo on there. They're super sweet, nice, comfortable hoodies. You guys would like them. You can use my code COLE10 at ducksbucks.com to save yourself a little bit of money. The calls have sold out once already. They put them back in stock. Ivory, duck, and goose calls. Short reed honker call. Extremely deep tones in this honker call. I wanted a true honker call, not one that's a little mid-range call where you could call lessers and honkers. I wanted a pure big Canada goose call. That's what we designed. And then we have a single reed J-frame duck call that I've been blowing in my videos. I'll be blowing them today, so if you like the sounds of them, you can find them at ducksbucks.com. I'm going to get my stuff out of here. I'm shooting the old 20 gauge today, so can't wait. Can't wait. It's a beautiful morning, Brad. Oh, we got them in the decoys. Mallards?
Oh, yeah, Whitey, back!
Oh my
back.
gosh, there's like 10 of them. Back! Back!
Whitey, no!
Whitey!
3 for 3.
Come back! Come back!
I got 3 of them already.
You got 3 of them?
Yeah.
Dang, son.
On the ground. Doing the old upland hunter swatting.
Got about 5 minutes, right?
I couldn't even tell you.
All right.
I'm worried about it on you, so I don't even look.
I am excited. Y'all are gonna enjoy this one, folks. Take them, boys. Take them, boys.
My gun's not loaded.
Your gun's not loaded?
I came up and the shell was
Oh. Man, me and someone double tapped a duck right before me. Holy moly.
I mean,
Green heads down. Green heads down. Heck yeah. That is beautiful. Beautiful. There it is. Green bean, green bean. Nice start to the morning, guys. Headshots. Oh, there's one more laying right there. Is there another one? Oh, you got you a drake?
no, I didn't shoot.
Oh, who shot that? That was sick.
I come up to shoot, I was like, oh wow. I got a Tootsie Roll sticking out the side of my gun.
A Tootsie Roll. Shoot him, guys. Get that back one. Nice. That one's barred up. Oh, that was a pretty good one. Look at that bad boy. Oh, hell yeah. Got our decoys kind of running up a little hill here. Looking good. Ducks are coming.
Coming on a mission, dude.
Take them, boys.
Bush green on the left.
I shooting. Get them.
Oh, man.
Brad. Oh, good shooting, boys. Four more.
Your clients there too much, bub.
Four more down. Four more down.
I don't know what happened.
You were about 3 feet off on that one, Brad.
I know, I pulled it.
I pulled it. Whitey got him 2 gorgeous green beans.
Look at them.
We need to put some green beans on a t-shirt. Look at that.
Little greens.
Oh yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, we were cherry picking them there. Yeah.
Turkey hunters.
Yeah.
I let him get up.
Yeah, you did. You did let them get up. All right. 8 ducks down.
4 plus 4 is 8. 1 limit.
There's 3 something out front. Get ready.
On the bus.
Take them, boys. Get him, Whitey. One more below. Ooh.
Trying to give me the roll.
Gosh almighty. There's more out front. More out front.
I pulled Cole and I both double tapped.
Yeah, we did again. All right, out front, guys. Get down. Cover up. Cover up. Get ready, guys. Take them, take them, take them, take them. There we go. Perfect. God, the keys.
Got more coming. Wait.
Yeah. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we need the wind to pick up big time. Take him out front, guys. Get that one. Nice shot, Whitey. Good shooting. Good deal. How many did you pick up? 2, 3. We got a pretty good shadow going behind us too. Nice. All right. Another flock right up top.
Yeah, high bird.
Wind is dead. Make sure y'all are below the mesh, guys. God, the first pass isn't even good on the ducks either. Damn it. Oh, top right. Coming down. Come in here. Turn the fucking spinners off. Take him out front, guys. Get him, White. Take him out front, guys. Get him, White. I'm gonna drop in now. Shoot the single, guys. Shoot him! See, this is why I have you on the channel, White. I mean, I bring all these guys out here, try to get them the cherry picking singles out front. We can't even get them down. I mean, I didn't even have to, I was gonna have to raise up on that. I'm glad I put you on that side. Man alive!
Probably shooting them double BBs.
Them double BBs ain't hitting them. He said yes.
It was a waste of these.
You know those double BBs have big old holes in the pattern, right? What are you shooting? That's 8 shot. Yeah, exactly.
Well,
you just put it in.
For me, so I wouldn't miss.
That was it's 15 yards.
It's 5 now.
But they got even closer when Whitey started pulling up.
I don't like shooting that far. It's too hard on my gun.
Good job, White. Good job.
Okay, I'm done. That number 8.
Oh my good grief. This is your honk right here, White. Call him in.
He don't like us.
I think he does. Is that a goose? Big honk. Boom! With the old 8-shot on a big old Tony. Man, that thing's got smacked. Kelly likey, Kelly likey.
That's what we need more of.
Yeah, we need some more of them. On the right, here we go. Check them out front, boys. Up top. Get that one. Get him. Good shooting. Good shooting, boys.
I don't think that one's hit yet.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. We got the geese. We're getting the geese now. That's a giant.
That is the big
That's a big one. And you got the green head. Kelly, what you got over there, boy? We're getting them. We're getting them. We got them. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. You got a big old one, CJ? Did you hit one? Maybe? All right, 2 more. Shoot, we got about 10 down there. Oh, Kelly Billy. Here we go, fresh one. Out front. Take them out front, guys.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Take them out front, guys.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Thanks.
Green hit.
Got 2 greens there.
Green hit. Green hit.
Nicely done. That was pretty gorgeous there. Lots of green heads in here. Good flocks. Good flocks. Nice. Look at the beautiful green. Are they? Good green bean there.
Yeah.
Look at that beauty.
I mean,
look at the beauty.
He's been somewhere else. That's on the side of the wetland.
Okie dokie. Another mallard. Heck yeah. Yeah. Little squeaker. Loved it. Take them, guys, take them. Take them, guys, take them. Guys, headshot, you smoked him. All but one. Good shooting. That was sick. Nice. You thought you missed that one, you head dome shot that one. That was nasty. Heck yeah, we got 3 limits of geese now, baby.
Look at the feathers.
Look at all the feathers just blowing right in our face because the wind's wrong.
I mean, wasn't that just neat?
That was great. Beautiful.
We got
B-E-E-A, B-E-A-U-T-ful. Boom. Honk, honk. Those are big Tonys. Big Tonys. Ooh, that one got raked. R-A-Aked. Yeah. Woo, squad wipe. Squad wipe. That was sweet. Oh, baby. Did that make you feel good, Whitey? Those are some big ones.
Yeah.
That's a big dog.
Yeah, see that 40-yard headshot?
40-yard headshot with the old 8-shot.
With the 8-shot.
With the old shots ammo. Doing good. We have 4 of our 6 limits on darks, on Canadas, and ducks. So we can shoot about 16 more of each. It's getting kind of late this morning. The wind never picked up. It never went out of the right direction, so that's what we're struggling with right now. But other than that, we're doing pretty good. Aren't we, Whitey? Whitey's happy.
Oh my gosh.
He's got some honkers. Whitey's happy.
Beautiful.
Happy, happy, happy.
In the hole.
In the hole. We didn't even know those were there. Holy cow. I heard them landing and I was just like, kill them. Good deal. We were watching some behind us and had 20 right in the pocket. Yo.
Punched it.
Shoot the single, guys.
Out front.
You guys are slower than Christmas. All right, I'm limited on ducks, so y'all better start pulling it together. My goodness. Shoot him, Whitey.
Kill him, boys.
Take him, boys. That was sick.
I wanted to wait just a second so we could shoot all.
Yeah, that was good. Heck yeah. We are roasting the honk daddies. A low flock on the left. We get all four?
All four.
Creamed them.
Are these coming?
I don't know.
Yeah. Come to my side.
Okay. Out front. Take them, guys. Take them, take them, take them.
Oh my God.
Nice shot.
Oh, I got him!
That was nasty.
Dude,
we wiped them. We absolutely wiped those. Holy. Did y'all see those?
No, I only saw the two. I was like,
I heard them landing and I was
Dude,
like,
that was
I just
perfect.
called it. I didn't even know they were there.
I didn't see
You guys were all empty and I still had
Yes! Absolute massacre. Wait. What are those?
Those 5?
Yeah.
We just got
Oh, okay.
We killed them.
Yeah, let's. Oh my gosh! What a mop! Hoom, 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 hoom. Mopping. 3 for 3. Holy cow! That was 10 more, baby. Mopping honks. Oh, you. Mopping honks. Oh, baby. God, they just swept right in front of everybody too.
I didn't know how many there was.
I didn't either. That was disgusting. I've got 4. I see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Like, oh my.
We're gonna get a count, guys. Take him, take him, take him. Get him, Whitey. Nice shot. 2 more honk daddies. Good shot.
In the wind.
Good shot.
3 in the wind.
On the right. Take him, guys. Take him, take him, take him, take him. Nice shooting.
Yay.
2 more ducks. Take them, boys. Y'all split me.
Oh,
Y'all cleaned house.
I
Nice, boys. Oh,
got one sailing on the left. Watch it on the right. One more. Shoot him,
Get him.
Brad.
Nice shot, Brad.
Redemption.
Redemption. Oh, that was sick. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, give me some nuts. We'll finish it there, boys. We'll finish it there. Give me some nuckies. Nice. Kids ready? Nuck. We'll lay 80-something stack there, boys. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. It means a lot to me. Take a second for me real quick and hit that thumbs up button. If this video gets 2,000 likes, I'll give away a shotgun. How about that? I'll give away a brand new G-Force 2 shotgun. If this video gets 2,000 likes. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We want to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of this season. So that would be awesome. Anybody into Pokemon cards? I just got these at the gas station this morning. I got a couple cool ones in here. Anyone into these? Drop a comment down below if you're into Pokemon. I'm going to be stopping at that gas station a few more times and picking some more up. I'm trying to look for a gosh dang hollow Charizard or a Pikachu. My mom threw away some like $50,000 cards I used to have from back in the day. Pretty upsetting. Had a big old booklet of holographic Pokemon cards, but kind of nerding out a little bit for you guys. Getting vulnerable. I'm letting you into my life, but drop a comment down below if you're into Pokemon. Today's hunt, we finished with 87 birds, just a few shy of a full double limit. An awesome morning. It could have been a little bit better. Our wind never showed up. It was swirling all morning. We'd have flocks come in, trying to set up behind us when the wind switched in our face. The few flocks that did it nasty, the wind was at our back. So just some things you got to deal with right now up in Alberta. So swirling winds. It was supposed to be about 8 to 10 out of the northwest. We would have had them absolutely decoying perfectly this morning. But if you haven't checked out the last two videos, they will be right here for you guys to click on. We shot a limit of ducks, field ducks in a wheat field, just like today, the last 2 days. So if y'all are interested in watching those, be sure to click on them right here. And we will catch you guys on the next hunt.